Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing the Mac into recovery mode so you can change the password safely. Hold Command and R at boot, or press and hold power on Apple Silicon until Options appears. Select Options and continue. Once done, choose Utilities then Terminal or go to Reset Password depending on Mac OS version. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi if prompted, because the system may need to verify your Apple ID or download recovery tools before proceeding. You now focus on changing the account password itself. In recovery, open the Reset Password utility, select the user, then enter a new password and a hint. This updates your login credentials while preserving files. If File Vault is active, you must first unlock the disk using the recovery key or Apple ID. Otherwise, the reset won't apply to encrypted data. Once complete, make sure to write down the new password and update your keychain. When prompted to avoid, you finish by restarting the Mac and logging in with the new password. Mac OS may ask to update or create a new keychain. Do this to restore app passwords and Wi-Fi entries. If you cannot log in, boot back to recovery mode and repeat the reset, or use your recovery key to decrypt File Vault. Sometimes repeating the unlock step resolves permission mismatches. One troubleshooting tip: if keychain errors persist, create a new keychain and manually re-enter saved passwords to restore normal operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.